Imagine walking past a restaurant and asking your glasses, "Is this place any good?" They answer. Then they translate the menu, take a photo, and send it to a friend. Samsung has now entered the AI glasses race, but Meta has already sold millions. So are Samsung's new glasses better? And can either pair really replace your phone? Let's decode it in 5. First, forget the science fiction version. These are not full screens floating in front of your eyes. The first Samsung models and Ray-Ban Meta are audio-first glasses. They listen, see through a camera, and answer through small speakers. Your phone still does much of the heavy lifting. The glasses are a faster way to reach the camera, apps and AI already connected to it. The idea is simple. Use your phone less without losing what your phone can do. Ray-Ban Meta is the proven product. You can ask Meta AI questions, take photos, record video, make calls, listen to music, and translate conversations. The second generation records video in 3K and lasts up to 8 hours with normal use. And they already look like normal Ray-Bans. That matters, because smart glasses are useless when people do not want to wear them. Meta's biggest strength is capture. See something interesting? Say, "Hey Meta, take a photo." No phone, no missed moment. Samsung is taking a slightly different route. Its eyewear is being built with Google, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker. Gemini is the assistant. Samsung connects it to the Galaxy experience. The goal is not just to answer questions, but to help with what you are doing. It can summarize messages, help with directions, translate signs and speech, and save information from a whiteboard into your notes. Samsung says the glasses can last up to 9 hours. The charging case can recharge them several more times. Here is the key difference. Meta starts with Ray-Bans that capture, listen, and answer. Samsung and Google are aiming for something closer to an everyday assistant. Not just take a photo. More like, find a coffee shop on my route, add a stop and prepare the order. That sounds more powerful. But it also depends on apps, permissions, a phone connection, and features that may change by country. Now the uncomfortable part. For these glasses to help you, they need to hear you. And when you ask about what you see, they need the camera. That does not mean they record everything all day. But people around you may not always know what the glasses are doing. Meta uses a white light when photos or video are being captured. On its second-generation glasses, blocking that light disables the camera. Samsung says its eyewear will include controls and safeguards, but we need to see how those work in everyday life. So can either pair replace your phone? Not really. You will still need a screen for long messages, detailed work, payments, and many apps. But they can replace small phone moments, checking a message, taking a quick photo, translating a sign, or getting the next turn while walking. Ray-Ban Meta wins today. It is available, tested, and clear about what it already does. Samsung may have the bigger long-term idea. Gemini, Galaxy, and connected services could make the glasses more helpful across your day. But until we know the price, final compatibility, and real-world performance, that promise is still untested. The Decoded Rule. AI glasses will not replace your phone all at once. They will replace the moments when you would normally reach for it. If you enjoy seeing what's really happening behind the stories everyone is talking about, like this video and subscribe to Decoded in 5. There are many more hidden systems waiting to be decoded. Until next time, keep looking beyond the headline.